I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power and a healthy battery. If the phone won't start, nothing else matters. Remove the back cover and take out the SIM, then inspect the contacts for dirt or corrosion and clean gently. Once done, reseat the SIM firmly and ensure the metal clip holds it square. If you still see emergency calls only, swap with a known working SIM to isolate whether the issue is SIM related. This quickly tells you if the problem is network, SIM, or handset. You now force a network refresh. Enable airplane mode for 10 seconds and then restart the phone, which clears transient radio problems. If that fails, manually select the operator in settings to avoid automatic roaming issues. Choosing your carrier can restore normal registration. Make sure to check for a simple system update in the phone settings because firmware fixes radio bugs. If nothing changes, prepare a backup and perform a factory reset as a last software step to remove corrupted configs that cause emergency. You should inspect the antenna and SIM tray area for physical damage or loose parts. Sometimes pressing around the back connector restores contact. If you've isolated the fault to hardware, replace the SIM tray or the internal antenna board. These are common fixes for Nokia 105 models. Once replaced, test with a working SIM and carrier. If the handset still shows emergency calls only, make sure you've exhausted carrier and software options. Then take it to a professional repair service or consider replacing the device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.